Now, let's try to convert strings to numbers. Similarly to strings, we can also use a type constructor, this time number. So let number is number string 123, and let number type will be type of number. And we get a value 123 of type number. Let's experiment with different values, like 123.24. And now we get a floating point number. Now, let's check what happens when we try to convert an empty string to a number. So number, empty string. And this still works. We get a number. So an empty string is casted to 0. But if we try to convert values that are not correct numbers, like Jane, number from Jane, we get not a number. And the type is number. As you may remember from previous lessons, not a number is a special number type, so the type of not a number is still number. We can also use the Unary plus operator to convert a string to a number, provided that the string is a correct number. For example, number plus string 123, and this works, but this of course will return not a number, plus an, and we get not a number. JavaScript also provides special methods for converting values to numbers, parseInt and parseFloat. For example, number equals parseInt 123 returns integer number and type of number. Let's try another value. So parseInt 123.23, and this removes fractional part. To include the fractional part, we can use the parseFloat method. And now we get a number with fractional part. And if the specified value cannot be converted to a number, we get not a number as a result. For example, parseFloat, blah blah, and we get not a number. To sum up, number conversions methods include number from value and Unary plus operator. These are general conversions to number. Return not a number if cannot be converted. parseInt converts to an integer ignoring the floating point, and parseFloat converts to a floating point number.